Russian strength has shown itself to be so overrated that it gives us an opportunity to rethink what makes a power great. Going into the war, Russia's military capabilities, including a large nuclear stockpile and what was thought to be one of the biggest and most advanced armed forces in the world, were pointed to as the reason for its strength. What this war might be showing us, however, is that a military is only as strong as the society, economy, and political structure that assembled it. In this case, Russia was nowhere near a great power, but in fact a deeply flawed, in many ways weakening, state. From this point of view, indeed, it can be seen as a power in relatively steep decline. Its economy is about the 10th largest in the world, comparable to Brazil's, but even that masks how remarkably unproductive it is, basing most of its wealth on extracting and selling natural resources rather than on producing anything advanced. When it comes to technology and innovation, Russia would hardly rank in the top 50 most important countries in the world. Moreover, the Russian leadership, and most obviously its president, hailed in many quarters as a canny operator, has shown itself to be the head of a disastrously constructed state that fed misperceptions, stifled real debate, and allowed one man to launch this disaster. It's odd that this is a lesson that we need to learn again and again. Dictatorial regimes tend to decompose the longer they stay in power because appealing to the source of power becomes a higher priority to officials in all echelons of the state than simply doing a good job. Putin's state fed his delusions and created an inefficient military, hobbled by corruption and inefficiency. We must also re-evaluate our understanding of the more basic notions of morale and psychological commitment. One of the most surprising things to analysts who perceived Ukraine as a small power and Russia as a great one is that the Ukrainian military and people have resisted with extraordinary tenacity, while Russian military behavior points toward serious issues with motivation and commitment. The Ukrainians have shown a national wherewithal that has made any idea of a Russian conquest of the whole country, Putin's original goal, laughable. The Russian invasion of Ukraine has not been a situation in which a great power assaulted a smaller neighbor. It's an example of a large, deeply flawed power invading a smaller, but very committed one. The balance of power between the two does still matter, but what makes up that balance needs to be much better understood. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.